But is it good enough to win our EV Pulse Electric Vehicle of the Year award? What makes the Ioniq 5 such an excellent vehicle is that it excels at practically everything. This limited all-wheel drive model here offers 266 miles of range, which is very good, though of course you can get the Ioniq 5 with more than 300 miles of range if that is what you want. This limited all-wheel drive model also comes with 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque for strong acceleration, and I'll tell you, this thing is plenty quick. It's also a DC fast charging champion. It can go from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes, which is amazing.